What's up, subscribers? So we're obviously in the Publix parking lot. I park here because I get Wi-Fi here and can edit my videos and get on the internet on my Mac here. And this is actually the spot where I woke up this morning too. In vlog 81, y'all saw that my car broke down and I ended up having to sleep in this parking lot regardless of knowing whether it was okay or not. And needless to say that I added this spot to my sleeping list as far as sleeping in my cars go. But I actually wrote something out on my Mac here that I kind of prepared, and I kind of want to just speak my words, you know. I was silent through the whole entire vlog, and I kind of want to give y'all some background and what is going on in my head right this second. So here we go. Today was kind of rough for me, honestly, but it was kind of a perfect example of what happens when I have days off and don't really have any plans. Like, I really am pretty much silent all day unless someone talks to me or something. Like, yeah, I went to a lot of places and stuff and kind of got some stuff done. But I couldn't help but just feel empty, you know? Like, there's no real goals or anything to look forward to, like, anymore. But I'm like trying my best to like think and ponder on like what I should do to make like my life better, and what I can do for my channel to make it better for y'all. But like today I didn't feel like doing anything, and oftentimes I wake up a lot of times like that, just from like depression and anxiety and all these other things. And you know, I watched a video yesterday on Graham Stephan's channel. He's like one of my favorite YouTubers. He's like in finance, real estate, motivational, funny, all around awesome YouTuber. And he did a video on being lazy. And like, I'm not really lazy, but I went ahead and like clicked on it, and he talked about just pretty much like doing whatever is on your mind at that moment and not putting it off. And that's what I had to do today. I did not want to make a video today. I did not want to do anything. Like, literally, if it wasn't for y'all, if it wasn't for the video I watched yesterday of Graham Stephan and y'all, like, I wouldn't have even made this video today. I would have probably just like sat in my car and done absolutely nothing but watch YouTube videos all day, you know? And so thank you, viewer. Just thank you, because I actually spent the day actually doing something and not sitting on my ass. So just thank you. And